Hello my dear students, this is Quadratic. In this video, you are going to learn how to find the roots of a quadratic equation by factorization method. You know very well, factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. The what all the number divides that number is called the factors. See here, factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Like this, all these numbers divides 12. They are called their factors. For example, 4xy. For this, factors are it is 2, 4, x and y. All these 2, 4, xy and all divides 4 xy. Similarly, in this video, you are going to learn how to find the factors, that is roots of a quadratic equation by factorization method. Roots of a quadratic equation. Let x is equal to alpha, where alpha is a real number. If alpha satisfies the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, such that a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0, then alpha is the roots of the quadratic equation. As quadratic polynomials have degree 2, therefore quadratic equation can have two roots. So the zeros of a quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is same as the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Methods methods to solve the quadratic equation. There are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. In that, first method is factorization method. In this method, we factorize the equation into two linear factors and equate each other to 0 to find the roots of the given equation. In that, step 1 is given quadratic equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Split the middle term bx as mx and nx so that sum of m and n is equal to b and the product of mn is equal to ac. By factorization, we get two linear factors x plus p and x plus q. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, that is equal to x plus p into x plus q is equal to 0. Now we have to equate each factor to 0 to find the value of x. Now we are going to solve few sums from the textbook exercise. Now we are going to solve few sums from the exercise 4.2, that is find the roots of the quadratic equation by factorization method. That here you have to find the factors of 10. First you multiply 10 into 1. See, 10 into 1 is equal to 10. See, if there is no number, you have to think that there is 1. That is factors of x square is 1. Here it is a is 1, b is minus 3 and c is minus 10. You have to multiply a and c, that you will get 10. Now factors of 10 are 2 5s are. 2 5s are 10. By adding or subtracting, you have to get the middle term. First term write as it is, x square you write as it is, and minus 10 also you write as it is. Now you have to split the middle term. That means how do you get minus 3, minus 5 and plus 2? That is minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. This method is also called splitting the middle term. See, first you have to multiply a and c. That is factors of x, that the coefficient of x square is 1. 1 into 10 is 10. You have to find the factors of 10. By adding or subtracting that these factors, you should get the middle term. Now what happened? Here you find the common factor, it is x, here x minus 5. Here you find the common factor, it is x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now here x minus 5 again is the common factor, x minus 5 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to plus 5 or x equal to minus 2. These are the roots of the equation x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. What you have to do? You have to multiply a and 10. That this number and this number you have to multiply, that is 10. And you have to write the factors of 10. And then what happens? 5 2s are 10. By adding or subtracting, you should get the middle term. Now one more sum, that is 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Here a is 2, b is 1, c is minus 6. You have to multiply 2 and 6. You have to multiply in the working column. You have to multiply product of a into c. That is 2 into minus 6 is 12. And you have to write the factors. See, you cannot write 6 2s are. If you write 6 2s are, 6 plus 2, you will not get the middle term. And 6 minus 2 also, you will not get the middle term. Therefore, you cannot take 6 and 2. Therefore, you have to take some other factor. See, if you take 12 ones are 12. See, if you take 12 ones are, well, 12 plus 1 is 13, there is no 13. 12 minus 1 is 11, there is no 11. Therefore, the factors of 12, 4 and 3. See, by trial and error method, you have to find the factors of AC. And then by adding or subtracting, you should get the middle one. Therefore, it is 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. What you did? You wrote 2x square as it is, minus 6 as it is, and 0 as it is. You have to multiply a and c. The first coefficient of x square and c you have to multiply, and by finding the factors of that, you should, by adding or subtracting, you should get the middle one. Therefore, here 2 into 2x I will take as a common factor. Here x plus 2. 2x into x is 2x square. 2x into 2 is 4x. Here you take 3 as the common factor. You have taken minus also out. Therefore, both the term will become plus. X plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, both the places x plus 2 is there. That you take out and you are left with 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. See here, x plus 2 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Here, x equal to minus 2 or 2x is equal to 3, that is x equal to 3 by 2. That is x equal to minus 2 or x equal to 3 by 2. This method of finding the roots, that is value of x, is called factorization method. Factorization method or splitting the middle term. And now we are going to solve some more sums, that is the situation, that is the statement sum, where we have to convert statement or the situation into quadratic equation. Then we have to solve it. Now we are going to solve one more question from the textbook. This is also from exercise number 4.2. It's a statement sum. First, we have to convert the statement into quadratic equation by using the given values and then find the value of the unknown number. Here it is given the altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides. Since it is a triangle, you have to draw a triangle. You name it. It is A, B and C. Given hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. And you have to find the other two sides. Let base of triangle be x. This base is x, and height or altitude. Altitude is 7 centimeter less than its base, that is x minus 7. Altitude is 7 centimeter less than its base, and they have given hypotenuse 13 centimeter. Now you know base is x and height is x minus 7, and the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, and this is 90 degree. The side opposite to 90 degree angle is called the hypotenuse. Now here, according to Pythagoras property, side what is that? AB square plus BC square is equal to hypotenuse AC square. When you find the square of these two, that is a square of these two sides, then that is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. Now here AB is x square, AB is x minus 7 square, and BC is x, and this is 13 square. Now x minus 7, here you have to use the formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This formula you have learnt in the smaller classes, not in smaller classes in 9th standard. You should not forget. Therefore, I am going to use this formula here, that is x square minus 2ab. 2 into 7 into x, it is 14x, and plus b square is 7 square, that is 49, plus x square is equal to 13 into 13. 13 square is 13 into 13. Now the next step is you have to expand it. If you want, I'll write one more step here so that you will come to know what it is. See here, x minus 7 whole square plus x square is equal to 13 can be written as 13 into 13, and x minus 7 can be written as x minus 7 into 7, that is x minus 7 into x minus 7. X square can be written as x into x. Now what happens if you multiply or if you use the formula a minus b whole square, a square minus 2 into a is x and b is 7 plus 7 whole square plus x square, that is 13 into 13 is 169, and here x square minus 14x plus 49 plus x square. I'll send this to the other side. You will get 169 is equal to 169. And then what happens? Here x square, and here x square is 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is equal to 0. That is 2x square. You have to see all the steps properly. 14x minus 9 minus 9. It is 0, and 120 is equal to 0. Now what happens? All are divisible by 2. Divide by 2. Therefore it is x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Then what? Now it is in the form of quadratic equation, and find the factors of 60. 12 5s are 60, minus 12 plus 5 is minus. By adding or subtracting, you should get the middle term. You have to write first term as it is, last term as it is, and 0 as it is, and you have to split 7x. How do you get 7x? These factors of 60 you write. You cannot write 10 into 6 and all. You have to write 12 into 5. By adding or subtracting that factors of 60, you should get the middle one. Now I will write minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. If you find the common factor, it is x minus 12. Here it is x minus 12 is equal to 0. Then what happens? X minus 12, and here x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to plus 12. Here it is x equal to 12. See, and then here x equal to minus 5. Here what happens? X is equal to this answer cannot be negative. That answer cannot be negative. Therefore, see, measurement cannot be negative. See, any height or weight like that, no, it or length cannot be negative. Therefore, value of x, that is base, is equal to 12 centimeter, and then value of, that is measurement of height, that is height is equal to x minus 12, x minus 7, that is 12 minus 7 is equal to 5 centimeters. It has to be ignored. See here, ignored. See here, first you have to read the statement and then convert the statement into quadratic equation. You got the quadratic equation as x square minus 14x minus 120, and 60, the factors of 60 are 12 5s are 60, and take x as common factor here, x minus 12, here in between these two 5 is the common factor, and here in between these two x minus 12 and x plus 5. Therefore, x equal to, if you send it to other side, plus 12 or x equal to minus 5. Measurement cannot be negative, that altitude and all cannot be negative, therefore that has to be ignored. Therefore, value of x, what is that, base, is 12, that is this is 12 centimeter and this is 12 minus 7 centimeter. 12 minus 7 is 5 centimeter. Now, this method of finding the roots of the equation, that is value of x, is called factorization method or splitting the middle term. And in the next video, we are going to learn about using the formula how to find the roots of the given quadratic equation. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.